a secret before Tatum shows up. I was jumping on her bed earlier with my good friend, Xavier, and we broke her bed. Shh, don't tell her.
Do you ever just make weird noises?
Hi. Guess what? I'm gonna scare Tatum. I'm hiding in her room right now. When she comes in, I'm gonna jump out and yell boo. She's gonna get so scared. Okay, hold on. She's coming over there. Let's just wait. Boo! Ah! Oh, Tatum, you scared me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, why'd you do that? You scared me. Oh, oh, I was trying to scare Tatum, but she scared me. Ooh, that's funny. Okay. I gotta go. Bye.